The quick answer right away, probably not. But there still are quite a few reasons to get one. First of all, they are cheap, and second of all, they are so freaking cool. That beautiful styling and their exhaust symphony make them really stand out. They use engines directly from Ferrari that make a whole bunch of power, and they aren't even that unreliable. But you should still expect occasional issues and repairs. Most of the problems are with the transmissions and the exterior build quality, and you get super expensive oil changes because they require fully synthetic oil. And even though there are quite a few different models, they all are super similar, and they didn't get a lot of upgrades in their 12-year lifespan. So let's start with the normal GranTurismo. They were built from 2007 to 2019, and they had a 4.2 liter V8 with 405 horsepower, as well as a 6-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive. Then followed the GranTurismo S, built from 2008 to 2012, and now with a 4.7 liter V8 and 440 horsepower. All of that went to a sequential gearbox combined with rear-wheel drive. They also made some changes to the suspension and exterior, as well as upgrading the brakes. Afterwards came the MC Sport line, built from 2009 to 2019 and based on the MC race car that they also built in 2009. They had a bunch of carbon fiber parts, stiffer suspension, again the 4.7 liter V8 but with 450 horsepower and a 6-speed robotized manual. And I mean all of them are rear-wheel drive. Next up was the MC Stradale that was built from 2011 to 2013 and had again the same 4.7 liter V8 pushing 450 horsepower to the rear wheels via a 6-speed, and as the last one, the Sport, produced from 2012 to 2019, they yet again had a 4.7 liter V8 but 460 horsepower, also a 6-speed automatic and rear wheel drive. There also is a 2023 model, but it's new and expensive, so irrelevant for this video. And like prices start at about 20 to 30k, depending on where you live. All of them use about 14 liters per 100 kilometers, so that's like 17 miles per gallon, and that is not bad for a V8 supercar. They also have top speeds of about 300 kilometers an hour, in just under 5 seconds 0 to 100 times. And because they technically are Grand Tour cars, those are some pretty good numbers, especially because they weigh like 2 metric tons, so about 4,000 pounds. And they kind of are the Italian competition to German luxury cars. They are just super comfortable and also look very expensive. The interior quality might not be the best though, so you get some terrible panel gaps, cheaper plastic on some parts, and electric features can just fail. They just aren't the best ones and already were outdated when the cars were new. But apart from that, they offer a pretty good amount of space. You get 4 seats, and the rear seats are actually usable for adults because of the car's long wheelbase. You also get a fine amount of trunk space, but it's not that much. Of course, Maseratis are known for being unreliable and their heavy depreciation, and the reasons for that are fairly simple. But of course, there are exceptions. There are some cars with very high mileage, great owners that treat their car well and also pay the repair bills, so they sometimes are reliable, and the GranTurismo in particular is considered to be the most reliable one. Build quality is a general problem with Maserati, and I don't even know why, but at least they look awesome from a little distance or while driving past you. So I think you can look past those flaws, as long as the car is still driving fine. So if you can fix it yourself, have more money than you would ever need, or can just find a very nice example, I think you can really go for it and buy one. Their raw driving experience, the V8 sound and the incredible styling might literally be worth it. But keep in mind, there still are some risks to getting any Maserati. So comment down below if you would actually do it, and if yes, why exactly? And all that being said, I hope you liked the video, enjoy the rest of your day, and maybe I'll see you in this video right here. So until next time.